Go.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy DU. You know we back with another video. It's your boy DU Vlogs. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, today we be doing a mini bike video. My partner on my mini bike that I'm building. It's gonna be the DU Vlogs mini bike, man. Make sure y'all tap in, man. We gonna get it right. I'm be building it on my channel. You hear me? My partner coming down the street on it right now, man.
Right now, man. Hell nah, don't tell her to go fast. Yeah, no, what are you doing? You got shot heat on that out?
He said I'm floating that out. Doing 20.
He going
20.
He ain't even floating for real. He might just have to cop one.
Nah, for real though, he might as well go cop that bike, man. We all gonna have bikes out here, man.
I mean, I'm gonna cop a little moped. Now I'm lying, I'm gonna give me a mini bike.
You feel me?
You
We
know,
gonna be out here, man.
Y'all know I'll be pushing way faster than this. On me.
Not up there with me. You just quit trying to compete with me,
Bro,
bro.
I was pushing 60. 60.
But I wasn't even doing full speed, brother.
Yes, you was. You were floating that hoe down here and right here.
That wasn't even full speed,
Look
brother.
at your head.
All right, bro.
What this nigga at?
I was trying to run.
He probably turned right on my shit.
I don't see that.
You should put them lights on that hoe so I can see.
My lights fell off.
On.
He ain't got no brakes. Y'all know what it is. It's your boy DU. You know what it is, cuz we getting into it right now, man. We getting it bit right, man. Stop playing. They bit what? Green, we getting it bit orange. Y'all see my shit. My shit ain't even started yet.
Send him before and after picture.
When I get my shit right, y'all gonna see.
I see the brand new tires on the front. Just came in today. I see that tire, they got a big ass chunk out of that hoe. Best and bid that hoe.
Bro, it ain't my fault. It's really your fault, cause you wanna dig in on that. You did turn that corner mighty hard though, I ain't gonna lie.
I be whipping this hoe. No games to be played.
We got J-Boy behind the camera. Big little boy.
No boy shit.
Who I stole that from?
We matching the go-kart. They didn't hear you.
I say, little boy, bitch, you break hard.
How we gonna get the inside of this hoe? I don't wanna get orange on my shit.
That's all I be saying. That hoe gonna be hard.
Now you gonna repaint these springs, huh?
Hell yeah.
Black.
Hell yeah.
All right. Gotta work that wrist, boy.
You know what I'm doing, boy? I'm lit.
Watch the little boy now.
You watch the little boy.
Now you watch
I
the
ain't
little
wearing
boy.
it. You gotta watch that up. Watch the Adidas, bro.
You got to turn this on sideways when it drop. Or something.
Oh, we just lift the wheels up.
You don't want to lean that bit back because you got paint back there. I want to lean it forward because you got paint up there. So you got to wait till it drop.
Yeah, nah, I'll show you how to get into it.
I'm talking about for the bottom.
No, spray. Oh, yeah, yeah. Keep working. Wow.
You know he told you to keep working.
Man,
You throw that bitch, I'm gonna knock your nose off.
you know what? I'm finna spray paint my shit. Looking ass. Ooh, I know that sand is hard.
Just a life of way of living a life. Put that on brush shit.
That wire brush.
Show y'all young folks how to get down. Y'all want y'all shit right? I'm watching them big times.
Y'all want y'all shit right, y'all come to me, man. I'm gonna hook you up. Y'all see my shit. My shit nigga rig right now. But see, what happened was I was going too fast and I broke my shit. So I need to slow down because I be riding too fast too much.
Excuses.
You
This
can't
nigga-
beat me.
This nigga had, he on 2 wheels. I'm on 4.
I'm finna trade my
shit. Converter
I'm finna trade my shit for a go-kart tomorrow.
with a straight chain.
It don't. But then he just said I was on 2 wheels?
But you got straight
Okay,
chain.
you just said I was on 2 wheels
got a
though.
circuit converter.
It's 2 go-karts.
Hey, what your daddy said when I had that mini bike, I was pushing 60, huh? And I wouldn't even hit the thing on the motor.
I'm
what he
pushing
said, huh?
60.
That's what he said, huh, J-boy?
I
I'm
think you
pushing
was hitting
60.
that thing under the motor.
If I was, shit, I wasn't flooring that hoe, I had to govern in. Come on, man. Doing 60 with a loose ass chain.
I'm pushing 60 without hitting nothing but the gas.
Cause your governor, brother.
So?
Your chain tight. Come on, man.
So better in a long
You just
stretch
know
you
you
ain't gonna
can't
smoke
burn
me.
it, bitch.
In a long stretch you can't smoke me. For takeoff you got me, but long
You
stretch
got
you
it.
not smoking me.
Hey, J-boy beat your mini bike on a dirt bike 125. You had a 212.
Wait, no, you think you could beat Dustin with that?
No, brother, he trying to race me because
Oh.
he know I'm not gonna win, brother.
Oh,
I'ma get a go-kart.
But he gonna have a straight chain. I got a Turkenberger. Turkenberger is for like climbing hills. This shit is for racing because he's straight chain.
What hills you climbing on this big ass thing?
Nigga, your big ass nose, big ass,
Man,
big
go down
chin
somewhere,
ass,
bro.
long
Lick
head
ass.
ass, fat
You always
nose
tryna
ass,
rock.
elbow head ass,
Still fast dreads on her.
razor blade nose ass.
You not
Bro,
funny, bro.
get to work.
Come on, let's get back to work, bro.
That's your
You
ass.
get back
How
to
much
work.
you can
Fuck
burn
this work,
something?
nigga.
You not
You only
burning.
paying me $5 for this shit.
he paying you?
Man, this is shit.
Oh, you ain't paying me shit?
I ain't
I'm
say
not
that,
working
bro.
no more.
I ain't say that.
I'm not working no more.
I ain't say that.
I'm finna spray paint my shit.
Hey, you wasting my paint, cuz.
I will spray paint my shit, but I'm good. I'ma wait.
It ain't even finna be yours. What you spray painting for?
Yeah, you is right.
This shit is hard to get to.
Like, look, right here. You need this side right here.
I need this side right here.
I ain't spray painting shit.
Don't tell me you out of spray paint already.
No, brother.
Oh,
I'm just shaking this hoe. Your shit out of spray paint.
yeah, I